AI video is starting to present real texture in a different way. Not just cleaner frames or sharper detail, but motion, perspective, and timing that feel more grounded. Let me show you what I mean. The first case I built inside PixVerse V6 starts like a classic cinematic shot. What makes this interesting is not just the image quality, but how the shot behaves. The camera feels guided, movement has direction, and the scene feels composed instead of random. That is the real question here. Not whether AI can generate a beautiful clip, but whether PixVerse V6 can handle a structured cinematic sequence with a controlled motion and consistent behavior. I start from the workflow. On the left side, I open Creation. Inside, everything is organized into video, image, agent, and saved. For this test, I stay in video. At the bottom, a single creation bar connects the workflow. Image, video, template, transition, modify, reference, speech, and sound. Instead of switching between tools, everything stays in one place. For this case, I start with a text prompt. No image, no template, just a clear idea. I quickly set resolution, aspect ratio, and duration, keeping it simple because the focus is not the settings, but how V6 performs after generation. Then I open the model selector on the lower right. PixVerse provides multiple engines, including earlier versions and models like Grok, VO, and Sora. Here I select PixVerse V6, positioned around native audio, directorial cinematography, and true-to-life physics. If needed, I can adjust panel settings like create count and seed, but for this test, I generate directly. When the result comes back, the first thing I notice is camera behavior. This is critical because cinematic video is defined by perspective. In many AI clips, this is where things break. Here, the push-in feels intentional. Looking at the environment, motion is not random. Leaves move with direction, and light expands and interacts with space instead of acting as a simple effect. This is where V6 starts to separate itself, not just in visual quality, but in how motion is organized. Opening the result view, PixVerse shows a full panel with prompt, resolution, aspect ratio, duration, model, and seed. Below that, tools like upscale, sound, speech, and modify allow direct refinement. The workflow doesn't stop at generation. You can continue iterating without restarting, which aligns with how real creative workflows actually work. To push the system further, I build a second case focused on higher speed motion. This is where many systems break. When movement becomes faster, structure collapses, and motion loses clarity. Here I look for whether the scene stays readable, whether movement keeps weight, and whether the frame remains coherent under pressure. That is a much stronger test than simply checking visual sharpness. Then I build a third case focused on time-based progression. Instead of just movement inside a frame, I test how the scene evolves. Light shifting, environment changing, and the shot progressing over time. This moves beyond simple text-to-video output and closer to structured scene development, where continuity matters. This leads to the bigger point. AI video is no longer about whether it can look good. That part is largely solved. The real challenge is consistency, structure, camera intention, and believable motion. That is exactly where PixVerse V6 is positioned, not just improving visuals, but improving behavior. At this point, the positioning becomes clear. PixVerse is not replacing editing software. It introduces a layer between idea and production, a space to test, iterate, and structure a sequence before committing to a full pipeline. That is where the real value is, not just speed, but exploration. So if you want to evaluate PixVerse V6 properly, don't just generate a random clip. Build a real case. Start with a controlled shot, then test camera behavior, motion under pressure, and time-based progression. At the end of the day, the outcome doesn't come from the tool alone. It comes from how you use it. You can generate isolated visuals, or you can start building directed scenes. And that is where PixVerse V6 becomes truly interesting, not just as a generator, but as a system for structured visual storytelling.